Hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. The final night of work on the Jetta is underway. Tomorrow it gets on a trailer and goes to VIR and hopefully goes through tech, but that's all predicated on this thing starting up tonight. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned because he's putting the intake on right now and we can't be too far away from that happening. They've been working on it this afternoon, had a side project had to go on, but man, if this thing starts up, we're all going to be so happy after all the work that's gone into it, all the time spent, all the nights after midnight. Hopefully tonight won't be that long. It's not that late, and we're hoping it won't be much later. So stay tuned. Let's see if we can get this thing fired up.
Closes fast.
Yeah. This looks so much better than it did last night or this morning.
You know what? Actually, this Tyler was the fastest lap time. Loose is fast. Tyler is loose.
Wow.
It comes with old age.
Well, in that case, I should join the race team.
Got all those grandma farts helping him. Stress Poos.
Stress Poos, yes.
Old Tyler Stress Poos Jones. Stress Poos Jones.
How far do you think you are away from turning the key?
Honestly, we might have another 30 minutes or
Sweet.
so. Yeah.
I know you do too, but I so want to hear this thing start up.
It's gonna sound good. This is gonna work. It's gonna work.
Yeah. There's 3 digits in every cylinder, as we determined. That was this morning, wasn't it? Yeah, it was.
This morning, yes.
I had like 3,500 steps on my step count when I got home for today. I didn't have to do today because I did them between 12 and 3 in the morning.
I just didn't leave the shop.
I heard,
I found an old dirty jacket and I just fell asleep on the couch for an hour. And I woke up and...
Did you have you covered in lice or something after the dirty jacket thing, or?
No, the jacket was covered in my lice.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yes.
Lice or mice? Yeah.
Yeah. So what are you doing with that steel wool?
Well, since there's no like crankcase, like positive crankcase valve, it has a little like oil separator.
Yeah.
Use a steel wool in there, kind of like a catch can would have. Okay. Basically, the oil will condense onto the steel wool, and then the vapors will go past and into the intake. So our intake's not gonna be full of oil.
Oil, yeah, and you want the vapors to.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Disperse.
Hopefully it works and doesn't just shoot steel wool into
the engine.
Our intake.
Well, I mean, worse things could happen.
Worse things could happen.
Worse things have happened. Yeah, take one, right? It happens. Yep. Stand by. Oh. It ran for like a quarter second. Just.
Does it have gasolina?
Yeah, that's fuel.
Yeah,
Like it. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Pluggy boys and Sparky friends. Unless those old spark plugs were not so hot.
Those were. Yeah, those were new.
New plugs and wires.
Yeah.
Look at you! Yeah.
That was what we were planning on doing when we started the motor.
Yeah, right. That was that just last Tuesday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That minor inconvenience.
Maybe being inside. There's a seat occupancy sensor.
This is where all the fire suppression is, so I feel safer in
Yeah,
here.
that's probably a good place.
feel like one cylinder is fiery. Yeah, I was kind of thinking that.
Fuel roll issue?
Fuel roll that was in the car.
Oh, that is on here now.
Yeah.
It's obviously not leaking or anything, because we see it. Although, yeah.
Must be one of the old ones.
Mildly crusty.
Yeah, it must have been the one that.
But it ran before, so. Well, it's not going to go in deep enough, is it? Yep. Stupid Volkswagen.
Why is it gonna be so special?
And there's no way to take the metal off to access that part, is it? No, because
Craig it, Troy? Alright. Cricket, Troy.
ooh, another blinky light.
Just doesn't sound good.
Do you think? It just sounds weak.
Battery?
Didn't it look like that was getting duller and duller?
Yeah, it was definitely, and it wasn't very bright to begin with. Yeah, well, there you go.
I think it's worth just throwing a jump box on it.
Yeah,
It's not gonna hurt.
exactly. So if this works, this is all on you then.
Yes, this also counts as a
This is like legally binding now because it's on film.
Does this make it mine?
Or I'll just delete it.
Alright, we got some juicy boys.
More power, baby. Tyler, you ready?
No, my hand's all up in the business. Hang on.
Yeah, it's probably not good to turn it over yet. You've got both hands in there too, so I mean you can lose fingers on one hand, but
Oh shit, look who it is.
he's back.
Hi there! Oh there.
Doug of Doug's Cars?
Hey,
No, actually, commonly mistaken.
Oh, okay, all right, my bad. You guys look very similar.
Yeah, it's the gray hair.
You got an extra memory card? Yeah.
Oh, so for you
Did you take
cameras.
No.
You look like you have a lot more energy now.
Well, I went home and I ate some food.
That helps.
And I made an unsuccessful trip to Lowe's.
Unsuccessful? What were you trying to get?
Every trip to Lowe's is successful.
Well, they were closed.
Oh,
Oh, well, that is unsuccessful.
Yeah.
oh, I guess it
They
is.
close at 9.
I guess it is after 10. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'm thinking it's like only 7 o'clock for some reason.
No.
Yeah, when
Oh.
when Tyler was like, yeah, I'll be there in about 30 minutes, and I was like, didn't you just leave? And I'm like, oh my god, it's already 6:30.
And then I went to the city to swap cars with my sister
Oh, yeah.
because the Volvo has the key to the storage unit, but it turns out they're closed. So
The storage unit?
My storage unit closes access at like
Oh,
9:30.
I thought it was all like gated anyway.
It is, but for some reason you can't get into it late at night. I don't know.
Alright, let's show Alex how good this beast runs.
Mm.
Wow, why did you take it so badly?
Well, it turns out there's somebody sitting in the car. Didn't know that. So.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good thing you didn't just walk in and immediately start roasting Troy.
That would have been my intro.
Well, that sucks.
You can't smell it? Oh, yeah, there we go.
Okay, so it's not a fuel issue.
Probably.
Air?
We did keep it just submerged in water.
Exactly.
God, I love the smell of starter fluid.
Isn't that great?
Start in a can.
Start it, Troy.
Troy, he said start it, not crank it.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't pressing the button.
Keep sounding so
Keep going.
Did we compression test it?
No, not since we put the head on.
Yeah, let's just.
This is unplugged.
Yeah, but there's nothing to plug it into that we could see.
What is it? I have no idea. I just
Please
noticed
tell me
it's close to stuff.
It's that one that's in the back that you folded up underneath the.
Tell me what it is, and I'll happily plug it up.
It's like almost freaking there.
That sounded closer.
Yeah, it's closer.
One crank
Yeah.
right up, sir.
One crank only, Vasily. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh.
Damn it, Troy!
What?
You had it.
I'm not supposed to redline it.
Oh, now!
Yes. It's running, so.
We don't have water in it, though.
Oh yeah. It's not getting hot yet. Oh yeah, yeah. It's been here. It's fine. It's on its own. Nice, nice.
We did it! You're never idle anyways.
Yeah, it's at least 3,500 RPM at all times. Well, that was a culmination of several days of fun, so I hope you all enjoyed that, finally starting up. With any luck, the next video with this car in it will be on the racetrack, which is tomorrow. So hopefully it stays running. Anyway, thanks y'all so much for watching. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, hitting that little bell if you want notifications when I post again. And I really appreciate each and every one of you. Just love the fact y'all watching Doug's Cars.